Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Aries at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin kung anong gusto nating sabihin o yung gusto sabihin ng person mo sa'yo, Aries. You hurt me. Everything that happened hurt me so much. I need more time to heal. Okay. Yung bottom niya is gaslighting you. I have been lying to and gaslighting you. You weren't crazy. You were right. I just wasn't strong enough to admit it. Okay, so alam mo yon, nasaktan ka. Yung sinabi ng person, yung gusto sabihin sa'yo ng person mo sa'yo, Aries, is nasaktan siya sa lahat na nangyari. Kaya kailangan pa niya ng higit na mas mahabang panahon para mag-heal, no? Maalis yung pain, yung sakit sa damdamin niya dahil doon sa nangyari sa inyo. At sinasabi naman niya dito na nagsisinungaling kasi siya na gusto niya sabihin na hindi ka baliw, no? Hindi ka nagkakamali. Hindi lang siya malakas o hindi lang niya matanggap na aminin sa sarili niya yung nagawa niya. Okay? Kaya kung gama parang ikaw yung biniblame niya. So, tignan natin kung ano yung lalabas sa tarot. Jumping card, the Page of Wands, the Queen of Cups, Strength, the Seven of Wands, and the Nine of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the King of Pentacles. Okay, Aries, King of Pentacles, this is of course an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. Yung Knight of Pentacles, as you know, kung matagal na po kayo nanonood, at sa mga bago po, ito yung enerhiya or energy na nagsasabi na hindi ako kikilos ng mabilis, dahan-dahan ko to gagawin, pag-iisipan ko to mabuti, magre-research muna ako ng mga sagot o mga bagay-bagay na uukol dito sa ating sitwasyon bago ako gumalaw o magbigay ng effort o mag-move forward o magkaroon ng desisyon. Okay? So, siya yung very cautious, ba? Dahan-dahan kasi. Now, with the Six of Pentacles, gusto mo yung equal give and take. Yung patas lang, no? Patas yung pagbibigay at pagtatanggap, which is normal. And with the Three of Cups, this is something to do with maybe if there were a third party, kasi this could also mean third party, yun yung hinahanap mo na magkaroon ng equal give and take. Kasi bakit nagkaroon ng third party? Di ba? Parang bakit biglang sumingit? Dahil mabagal ka kumilos, you wanted something na talagang very balanced, and yet there was something na parang nagkaroon ng third wheel, kung gaba. The Page of Wands. ito yung card na nagsasabi na, yeah, I have a message for you. I wanted for you to find out that, I enjoy being with you and I like being with you. No? And with the Queen of Cups, of course, I love you. May pagmamahal ako sa'yo. Meron akong nararamdaman. At with the Strength card, this is an energy coming from a Leo. Naglalakas ako ng loob para sabihin lahat ito sa'yo. Kung ano yung aking damdamin. Ngunit, parang may pumipigil sa relasyon na ito na, alam mo yun, parang may blockage. Kasi, ang sinasabi dito, I want to focus more on myself first. Maging mas abundant ako. Yung sarili ko muna intindihin ko. I want to be more independent and just pamper myself. No? Kung ano man yung kitain kong pera, sa akin yun. Para sa akin lahat yun. I don't need your help or I don't need anybody's help to give me all the things that I need. Bakit andito yung Page of Wands? Bakit andito yung Page of Wands? We have the Empress, the Emperor, and the High Priestess. Okay, so we have a match, no? The Empress and the Emperor. No? Sila yung mag-asawa, kung ba sila yung perfect partner. It is a partnership. And the High Priestess is something to do with the intuition. You know, yung feeling ba na alam mo kayo yung perfect match. That's why, di ba, I started this that I enjoy being with you. I enjoy being with you kasi match kayo eh. Okay kayo. Queen of Cups. Bakit andito yung Queen of Cups? We have the Eight of Swords, the Ten of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. Yung love, no? Because you love the person. And this person might be also a water sign, o may water sign siya sa kanyang chart. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You feel bound, no? You feel bound with this person, Aries. Kasi, alam mo, siya yung kaligayahan, no? Your person is the one making you happy, giving you that happiness. Dahil siya yung wish fulfillment mo. This love na binibigay niya. No? You feel tied down to this person. Kasi nga, siya yung nagbibigay ng kaligayahan sa'yo. Bakit andito yung strength? Bakit andito yung strength? We have the Four of Cups, the World, and the Two of Cups. Humingi ka ng lakas ng loob, no? Para finally to really accept this cup, this love that's being offered. Kasi nga sa nangyayari, maybe you experience in the past, you are still focusing do sa mga hurt feelings mo before. And the one that's being offered to you now, medyo pinag-aaralan mo pa. You're still trying to see kung ito na nga ba. Na ito na nga ba yung magbibigay sa akin ng new cycle of life. Yung bagong cycle na magbabago na yung takbo ng love life ko. Kasi you see this person to be the one. No? O sinasabi ng universe o ni God na, hey, Aries, this person is the one for you. Okay? Kaya, tignan mo maigi, no? Look at this cup. This one is for you. This person, no? Ayan na nga yung Emperor Empress, no? Ito yung Two of Cups. Bakit andito yung Seven of Wands? Jumping card, Justice. The Two of Pentacles. And the Hierophant. Wow. Medyo nag-hold your horses ka dito eh. No? Parang sinasabi, teka muna, huwag ka magmadali. Kasi pinag-uusapan na natin dito eh yung ating relationship, yung marriage ba. Two cards talking about marriage. Justice and Hierophant. No? Pinag-uusapan na yung kung ba yung future nating dalawa. And I couldn't decide. Hindi ako makadecide kung ano. Kasi pakiwari ko, hindi ko pa alam eh. Parang ganun yung dating eh. Kasi magkaiba nga eh, di ba? Isang mansanas, isang orange. Parehong prutas, pero magkaibang klase ng prutas. Hindi parehong bigat niyan. May mas mabigat, may mas magaan. Yun yung tinatry mong balansehin. Ano bang mas importante sa akin? Am I ready to get married? Or just be in a relationship? O magpapakasal na ba kami? You're trying to decide. Kaya medyo sabi mo, teka muna. Ngayon, bakit andito yung Nine of Pentacles? We have the Hangman, the Page of Cups, and the Death. Sa tingin ko, na nagtatanong ka na sa sarili mo na ano ba, magtutuloy ko ba tong relationship? I think you've decided just to stay single. Aries, you decided to stay single, to be independent, to focus on yourself. And ang nangyari is nakahang, no? Walang movement tuloy yung love life. Walang movement yung love life, kaya kung gaba parang zero, death. Walang ganap. Kasi kung naghahanap ka ng pagbabago, eh kailangan may mabago. With the Death card. Okay? Hindi yung ganitong hangman ka. Kasi, ito yung energy na parang nag-iintay or tumitingin ka pa ng ibang perspective, yung ibang angulo ba. Pero, kung titignan mo, may offer of love naman eh. Kaso, parang pakirari mo, parang hindi. Huwag muna, tsaka na lang. Kasi nga, gusto mo, sa sarili mo muna i-focus lahat-lahat ng oras mo. Ma-establish mo yung sarili mo financially, no? Ma-secure mo yung sarili mo financially. Enjoy yourself with other people kaysa ma-tie down ka with this person. Kaysa magpakasal ka with this person. Okay? So, yun yung gusto mong mangyari, which is perfectly normal. If you wanna really do it, you know, sarili mo lang, ngayon, fine. If you'll be happy doing that, then go ahead. Walang masama doon. Okay? Tanong natin kung kailan yung time na magkakaroon na ng bagong love si Aries. Maybe next year, January. Next year. Okay? Matanong natin. Yung dadating ba na person kay Aries? Ito na ba? Yeah, there will be an offer. Yes. Sasagutin na ba niya? Yeah. Kasi this person is somebody from your past. Somebody from your past. Okay, Aries? Maybe yung ka-childhood sweetheart mo o yung naging close mo nung high school or nung college, whatever, but somebody from the past. Or it could be somebody na from past lifetime, okay? Na bumalik lang siya this lifetime para magkita kayo muli and fulfill whatever wasn't been fulfilled dun sa last lifetime mo. In other words, baka ka-twin flame mo to o ka-soulmate, okay? So, meron naman siya dadating. Kaya, ano ka lang, chill ka lang. Ano pa yung advice for Aries? Full moon in Aries, which is you. Cool your emotions. Okay, so, cool nga lang, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo. Full moon in Cancer, let your fears dissolve. Yeah? Kung meron kang kinakatakutan o takot, alisin mo na yan. Hindi mabuti yan. First quarter moon in Aries, again, you step into your power. Yep. Step into your power, Aries. You know it. You know that. Hindi ko na kailangan explain yan sa'yo. Alam na alam mo yan. Kayang-kaya mo yan. So, maybe something to look forward sa January. And when you start to meet this new person, that would be coming back. No? Somebody from the past na babalik sa'yo. Okay? So, kung kanino mga Aries ito na kasama ko sa pagbasa na to, maraming salamat. Sana nakatulong ito sa iyo ng malaki. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.